So this app here is like a map app we're going to be talking about today. It's called MagicEarth. A customer got us onto this, and it's actually a pretty good offline map. So, and it's free. So what you can do is install it. You can download the map pack onto the actual head unit, and that means that no matter where you are, you're always going to have access to that map and that GPS navigation system. So the first thing you need to do is you just have to give your unit internet, and you want to just go into a Play Store and download the app. So obviously I'm offline now, so what I'll do is I'll just scroll down onto here. Sometimes you just need to turn this off and back on, and then hopefully my hotspot on my phone's on. There you go. There, I've hooked up to the hotspot. So before you do the hotspot, just make sure before you turn the car on, turn the Bluetooth on your phone off, because otherwise your CarPlay is going to hook up and it's going to stop your hotspot working. So we've got that going on. Head into your apps here. Obviously, it could be a bit different if you have our X series or like our M series or our Q series, but at the end of the day, we just want to get to the Play Store here. And you want to search for MagicEarth, and I've already got it here, but you'd click on install, and it would come up here, and you can see this is how the app works. It's a pretty good app. It's working offline. Obviously has histories, not favorites. It can sort of find certain things. You can type in the address. Your speed does come up here, which is quite handy, and then you have your download here. So if we type in Australia, we can actually download the whole of Australia, or we can just do a state. So you can see WA has been downloaded already. So that's basically how you have it, and this will obviously work offline, and it'll be working all the time.